On our last cruise, Steph and I got on a heater on the penny slots. Who says I can't get you nothing? Because we got a free interior room. This one's interesting. It's not in the hallway. It's right down the middle of this hallway. Let's go check it out. Hey everyone, Chris from Full Time Thriving Adventures. So here we are on the Freedom of the Seas in our interior room. Now look at this. There's only 12 rooms in this hallway. And like I said, it's in the middle of the ship, not on the outside. We're going to check out room 2573. So let's take a look.
Okay.
So this is Steph and I's interior room here on Freedom of the Seas. So we have 2 nightstands, no power outlets. We have 2 twin beds put together to make a queen. Over on this side, we have a light switch, phone, but most importantly, our USB 3-speed Smart Devil fan, awesome to travel with. We put some magnets on the wall, great for hats, bathing suits. Here we have a love seat. That's how big the room is, actually. We have a couch. All right, as we walk over here, we have the nice mirror for the ladies getting ready. That's very important. Let's go check out the bathroom. Nothing terribly exciting in the bathroom, except again, they've gone with hard doors, no shower curtains. Sink, toilet, some storage here, and that's your bathroom. So coming out of the bathroom, we have our TV that faces our love seat, but it also swivels to face towards the bed. And you can get the HDMIs back here. So if you have a laptop or anything like that, you might be able to play a movie on there. Over here, we have 2 USBs that they look like they've added recently, which is great. 2 110 outlets, but we never leave without our 1-beat, non-surge protected power strip. 3 110s, 2 USBs, and 2 USB-Cs. Again, chair to get ready, very nice. Hair dryer for the ladies. Over here, more storage, and your small safe is in here. You have a cooler, not refrigerator, good for medication or that late night snack if you get a little hungry. The interior rooms only have 1 closet. You do need to have a card in here to keep your lights on. All right, so make sure you have that. And then Steph and I always like to have the magnets right by the door to hang our lanyards on, so that way we know where they're at and we're ready to go. All right, guys, this is our free room from crushing it on those penny slots. This is room 2573 on Freedom of the Seas. We'll put all the links for the products we discussed in the description section. If this video was helpful for you, give us that thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and click that bell for future videos. And remember, it's all about the adventure, and we'll see you on a cruise.